In today's video, I'm going to teach you how to create a document to sign in DocuSign with our comprehensive 2025 guide. Whether you're new to DocuSign or just need a quick refresher, this step-by-step process will help you navigate easily. Let's dive right in. First things first, you need to go to DocuSign's website. Simply open your web browser and navigate to apps.docusign.com. If you haven't logged in already, you'll need to enter your credentials to access your account. Once you've landed on the DocuSign homepage, look for the option labeled Start and go ahead and click on it. This button is typically located in a prominent position, often towards the upper section of the interface. After clicking Start, you'll see a few options, but our focus is on uploading the document you want to sign. Click on Upload to select the file from your computer. This can be any document you need to sign, perhaps a PDF or Word file. Make sure it's ready and stored in a location you can easily access on your device. Now, DocuSign is fantastic because it allows flexibility in signing, but today we're going to assume you're the sole signer for simplicity. So go ahead and click I'm the only signer. This selection streamlines the process since you don't have to input additional recipient information. With the document uploaded and your role as the signer confirmed, the next step involves initiating the signing process. Locate the Sign button and click on it. You'll be directed to the document where you'll need to confirm your signature. Don't worry, if you haven't yet set up a signature, DocuSign will guide you through creating one. You can choose a stylized signature or draw your own. Once your signature is configured, place it where required on the document. Simply click on Signature and drag it to the designated spot within your document. Make sure it's correctly positioned, as this represents your legal agreement to the document's terms. After placing your signature, the final step is to click Finish. This action completes the signing process and saves your signed document securely. You'll typically get a confirmation message confirming that your document has been signed successfully. If you need to share this signed document with others, DocuSign makes it simple. Just opt to share it by entering the email addresses of anyone you wish to send it to and then click Send. This feature is particularly useful for business or collaborative works that require signed approval from multiple parties. Congratulations, you've just completed signing your document using DocuSign. Now, you can handle your agreements efficiently, knowing they are securely stored and accessible whenever you need them. Thanks for following along with today's guide, and don't hesitate to revisit any steps if you need a refresher.